Hi, Des.
Hello. Hi. Destiny.
Today is Destiny's first day at the vet. So we just gave her a mini bath. Make sure she's nice and clean. And we'll take you guys on the road with us today. Come, mommy. Up. Come. You gotta go to the vet, mamas. Bye, Destiny. Bye, mamas. Be a good girl, okay? Okay, bye. She's not even talking.
I'm gonna call you to set up the flight.
Okay, baby. Thank you. Okay, bye.
Me. she wanted to bite me.
She wanted to bite you?
Yeah, but she's okay. She's settled down now.
Okay.
And she looks good. She's healthy. I checked her over. Everything seems to be fine with her. So we're going to go ahead and do her nails and her beak now.
Okay.
Did you want to be on the phone while we do it? Or?
Yes.
Okay.
Is
All
it,
right.
if it's okay?
2018, right?
2019.
2019?
Yeah. Hello. Thank you.
And here on the bottom of the invoice, you can find doctor's personal phone numbers in case
Okay.
of an emergency.
Okay, thank you very much.
you.
Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Hi, guys. Hi, mamas. Hello. So she got a wing clipped, beak trimmed, and her nails clipped. Hi, pretty girl. Okay, that was her doctor visit. She's still look calm and fine. See the bill? Hey! Hey! I have to clean my dirty cat. We just got back from the vet and she went straight into her cage. So yeah, I'm gonna do a breakdown of the stuff she did at the vet today and show you guys.
I want to take them.
No, you can't. No.
I want to take them.
So this is how much we paid at the vet, and this is the breakdown. So the annual physical examination is 110. To do her nails is 29. To do the wings is 42, and to do the beak trimming it's 41. So